Always, they've always showered with me. Shit. Shit. Hello, it's me. Shit. Hey guys, what's up? I am Dr. Simran and welcome back to my channel. Well, here I am yet again with another video for you all, and this is a very special one. क्यों है ये special? क्योंकि I felt special. As I told you in the last video कि अगर आपके कोई family वाले यहाँ पे रहते हैं आसपास, so they can send food to your hotel. They can drop it at the reception, and जो hotel staff जो है, they will bring the food for you. Now this time what happened? My parents delivered some food which the hotel staff came and kept it outside. I opened the door and I see कि there are 2 bags. I was like, oh ho, फिर से chocolate भेज दिए यार इन्होंने, कितने chocolate भेजेंगे? So I was like, चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. So I just kept that bag on the side and I went and मैंने अपना जो बाकी का खाने पीने का सामान है, I was like, let's see क्या क्या भेजा है, उसको फ्रिज में स्टॉक वगैरह किया. Then soon enough I just opened the other bag just to see कि कौन सी chocolate भेजी है, जरा देखते हैं. And it wasn't a chocolate, it was an apple. This is sent to me by my brother. He left this note. The minute I read it, I got a bit emotional. See, yet again. It's this note, I'm telling you. It gets me teary every time. My strength. Anyways, I had thought of not crying. I don't know what is it. It is probably the gush of emotions that suddenly are coming here because I'm so close to my family yet far. But ठीक है, it's just a matter of few days more and I'll get to be with them. I think I should stop crying. This is not supposed to be a rota dhota video. You're a strong woman with emotions, clearly. It's an iPad Pro. I know this is all materialistic and like, but it's the thought behind this, and the note is what that touched my heart the most, boosting me to do better and better every single time. This is 128 GB 11-inch 2nd generation Wi-Fi. Along with this we also have the pencil. When I received it, I was really overwhelmed. I still am, as a matter of fact. So मैंने सोचा चलो अभी कोई नया gadget आया है life में, so why not make an unboxing video? Because why not, really, you know? ये जो है अभी मार्च में ही launch हुआ है, and there are 2 sizes in this. One is 11 inches. This is the 11-inch one, and the other one is 12.9 inches. Very portable, I feel, like size wise. But any which ways, बहुत जबरदस्त खोलते हैं. Let's unbox it. Nice. I think this is the silver one. Let's see what else we have in the box. ये क्या है? और ये वो चीजें जो हम नहीं read करते हैं. Oh, they've given us stickers. Who uses stickers? Just out of curiosity, do you guys use these Apple stickers? I don't think I would like to put this anywhere. So Type-C cable along with the charging adapter, and that's it. Box यहीं खाली होता है. So okay, first of all, let me just give you a warning that I am not a very techy person. तो अगर आप expect कर रहे हो कि this is going to be a very techy review of an iPad Pro, जी नहीं. This is just a very layman's version showing you the iPad Pro. के मतलब हम जैसे लोग जो normal जैसे लोग हैं जिनको मतलब कि oh my god Apple product से मतलब है. So yeah, this is for you guys. So enjoy watching this. So this has the wide and ultra wide angle to it, which is good क्योंकि मेरे फोन पे नहीं है. Thank God मेरे iPad में है. Everyone is saying कि who any which ways clicks pictures with an iPad. I know, but people who do not have an ultra wide camera in their phone but they have it in their iPad will probably click it with the iPad, right? Until and unless you don't upgrade your phone. So I think I'm going to use this for sure. And it has a LiDAR system. What is a LiDAR system? It is something to do with augmented reality and something, I think so. Please Google कर लो वो क्या है. So this is also compatible with your Magic Mouse and your trackpad. And if you know जो नए वो cases आए हैं which has the Magic Keyboard, so this is of course adaptable with that as well. This is 128 GB, 4 variations in this. 128 GB, 256 GB, 5 and 2 GB and 1 TB. And there are 2 colors in this as well. There is silver and there is space gray. For your connectivity, one is with Wi-Fi only, and then there is one with Wi-Fi and cellular. So I think you can put your SIM card in that. eSIM support करता है and all that. I think that's all the information I know about an iPad Pro. And I've given you all of it. So now let's turn this bitch on. Feels good and it's not very heavy, honestly. It's quite light. Hello, it's me. So I'm just going to quickly set this up. Oh, where's my iPhone? So it is connecting, waiting for iPhone. Position this image in the frame of your phone. Oh, okay. Enter passcode for your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. While this sets up, I'm going to go ahead and open the Apple Pencil. Again, what do we have in here? ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो I don't think any one of us reads, and I think they waste a lot of paper for this. Ta-da! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Shit. Wow, this actually feels very good. It's so nice, sleek, not very heavy. जैसे एक normal pencil होती है, just feels like that. I mean, even the grip and all just seems very good. Feels rigid, not very flimsy. Hey Siri, it's ready now. But am I?
Help with that if you turn on precise location for Siri and dictation.
Baby, not you. There are so many series around me now. Oh my god. A series of series. This has to go for a software update. I think this is going to take a while. Okay, so it shows about 29 minutes. So I think I will continue this video once the software gets updated to show you what's inside the iPad. Okay, so BRB. And I'm back after what seemed like 30 minutes, but maybe it was longer because of course the update took time because it was updating to the latest iOS. Plus I think I made the mistake of replicating my phone onto my iPad. तो जितने भी apps मेरे phone में थे वो सब मेरे iPad में install हो रहे थे जो मैं नहीं चाहती. तो I was sitting and manually stopping the installs and deleting those apps. I just wanted to keep this limited to few apps only जो मुझे पता है जो काम मैं iPad पे करने वाली हूँ. तो I just wanted those apps here. Any which ways, too much jibber jabber done. Finally my iPad is ready. Yeah, that's that. Abhi kya hai isme? Let's see. So it's got Face ID. Good, it has opened up. Let's check the camera quality because since it's called the wide and ultra wide feature to it, which my phone doesn't have because I'm using an XS Max. Uske baad wale cameras mein aa gaya hai the wide and ultra wide thing. So this is wide angle and let's switch it to ultra wide and oh my god, this is cool. So this is wide and then this goes to ultra wide. Nice. God, the video quality on the front camera is so good. I mean, I can see my each and every pore on this. What? Oh my god, this is too good. So this is the back camera. Again, I think this is the wide angle. Isko bhi we can turn into ultra wide. So whoop, nice. Let's try playing something on YouTube to know how is the music quality. Oh! Seems a bit more louder than my MacBook Air. Great sound quality. This gets attached and then the minute you attach it, it shows how much battery does the pencil have. Yeah guys, so that was my hoti noob sa version of a tech review of iPad Pro. I think I'm going to end my video right here. I promised last time I am going to be regular for posting such videos. Not such videos, but I will be regular at posting videos. So मतलब इतनी जल्दी दूसरा वीडियो आ गया यार, तीसरा वीडियो भी आएगा. आप देखो तो सही, आप सब्सक्राइब करो तो सही. किस चीज की देरी है या किस चीज की whatever, you get my point, right? Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. Until next time, you guys take care and keep smiling. Bye.